Good morning everyone, especially to you sir. And today I will make an introduction video including answer the given questions. Number 1. What is your goal in life? Give at least one. My main goal is to become a professional who develops accessible low-cost electrical safety system for small business and household in rural of urban poor communities across the Philippines, helping prevent electrical fires and accidents that often stem from outdated or improperly installed wiring. Number 2 is, what drastic improvement to yourself would you do this semester or to achieve that given goals in life, or defend your answer. I will fully develop my skills in electrical safety code compliance and practical system design for low-income settings, including materials local regulation like Philippine Electrical Code, and learning to create simplified, affordable safety solutions. While basic electrical courses cover safety principles that often focus on large-scale or commercial system, not the unique challenge or resource limit environments using second-hand component safety, adapting design to unstable voltage supplies. This semester, I will study past and certain exam for Philippine Electrical Code PEC Basics. Number 2, partner with a local community organization to conduct safety audits of small. Number 3, design 2 to 3 low-cost safety prototypes like simplified surge protector or overload arms using locally available materials. Number 3, what do you think is the importance of this subject in achieving your goals? For me, the importance of this subject, power production and management system, this subject is foundational to achieving my goal of developing accessible electrical safety system and optimizing power solutions for observed communities in the Philippines. Here why understanding system fundamentals, it teach how power is generated, transmit, and distribute critical knowledge for identifying how safety risks like voltage fluctuation or overloaded circuits originate in the broader grid, not just in individuals installation. This helped me design safety system that work in harmony with local power infrastructure. Knowledge of energy source and load management by covering both conventional and renewable power production methods that subjects enable to assess which energy sources are most stable and sustainable for specific communities. This allows me to tailor safety design to match the unique characteristics of the power supplies. They rely on protecting against issues common in solar-powered microgrids or diesel generator system. Compliance and planning principles. The subject includes discussion or industry standards, regulation, and system planning, aligning with the needs to ensure safety solutions adhere to Philippine Electrical Code and are integrated effectively using into existing or planning power management setup. It also helped me evaluate how to balance safety requirements with cost and practically for low-income household and small business.